There's no response more devastating than the moment someone realizes you moved so far from what they did that their actions no longer even registers in your consciousness. You don't need to match their energy to prove a point. Let me explain something. In 100% of cases, the most powerful thing you will ever do to someone who tried to break you isn't revenge. It's simply outgrowing them so quietly that they have to hear about your life from everybody else around them. So, in spite of the emotional satisfaction that you would receive from openly acknowledging their wrong, choose differently, because that unbothered energy that you're going to walk in, it won't be indifference to the situation. It'll simply be the peace as God's receipt from a war you've already won.